Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be packing to go on my trip to New York City.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, shoes, all that. But today we're packing my suitcase. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Hello, hi. Yes, as you can tell, today's video is going to be definitely more of like a vloggy type style video. I have my suitcase right here. You can't really see it, but I promise it's there. And I'm gonna start putting stuff in here to go with us to New York. Today is Tuesday and we leave for New York on Friday, so we have like 3 days left. I'm very excited. It's my first time going to New York. It's my husband's second time going to New York. My husband is from Italy and he has been to New York before and I have not. So yeah, I have a couple of things in here already just to kind of get stuff going and like stuff that I knew 100% that I was going to take. I have my Steve Madden sandals that I'm going to take. I have my favorite pair of jeans. These are by A. Goldie and they are the Riley jeans. I have some sweatpants and I have my Skims little onesie. I sleep in these and I have like 4 different colors, so I'm gonna take all of them. And then I also have this really long jumpsuit from Express. These are actually, this is kind of old. I got this a few years ago, but I actually have not worn it anywhere yet because I haven't had the opportunity to. So I thought that I would wear this to our fancy dinner that we're going to be going to while we're in New York. And that's all I have in here so far. I did just want to take you with me in my closet and just so we can pick out a few things. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. It's just kind of gone crazy at the moment. But yeah. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. But yeah, I wanted to take you into my closet where I can pick out some outfits with you. Yeah, does that sound very nice? Thank you. Okay, so I have to whisper because my husband's still sleeping. There is my travel case, my travel, what is it called? Carry-on. And then my big suitcase in there is my checked luggage. So I know for a fact I'm gonna grab this because I bought this specifically for New York, so I'm very excited about this. It's actually from White Fox. Here, let me just take everything out and then I'll tell you about them later. Okay, I'm sitting back down now. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs. Winston! I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs. So, I've got a few things. This, 100% taking. I love this so much. And I've still got the tag on it. I haven't actually worn it yet, so definitely taking this. Let me actually do all of the pants first because the pants, like my jeans and other pants, I usually put at the bottom of my suitcase. So here are the shorts that I'm taking. These are my A. Goldie shorts. These are my favorite shorts. So I am going to kind of just roll these up and put them right here. We're only going for a week and you know, I normally pack like I'm going for a month anywhere. Maybe 3 pairs of jeans. These ones I thought were really cool and they kind of look New York-y to me, like, you know, like experimental fashion. These are by My Accents, which is Marcia Schellberg's brand, Marcia Felix's wife. So yeah, I really like these. So I'm gonna take these with me. And this will be my second pair of jeans. I think I'm only gonna take one more. I mean, to be honest, it's probably gonna be hot. So in theory, I should take shorts. I've got 1 pair of shorts. Actually, you know what? I think that's all I'm gonna take when it comes to denim. I've got 2 pairs of jeans, 1 pair of shorts, and then I've got 2 of these. These are like linen, flowy kind of shorts. These are by Abercrombie and Fitch. I think I'm gonna swap out any other jeans with these. So I've got a white pair and I've got a black pair. The only thing is that I don't know if I should have these still on the hanger. They're linen. Will they wrinkle? Like, will they wrinkle if they're folded up? Maybe I'll just fold them once. Maybe I'll keep these on a hanger just because, and I can put them in the hang stuff just because I'm not 100% sure. And then I've also got a black pair. So I really like these. I had some of these that were similar by Karen Millen. They ended up being way too big for me, so I sold those and I got these from Abercrombie and Fitch because they were, the ones from Karen Millen were, they were really nice too, but I forgot what kind of material they were. They weren't linen. These are linen, and I kind of like the linen better. I don't know why. And then, of course, taking my Burberry shorts. These are 100% a must. I don't have to hang these. I can just fold these ones. So that's it for shorts. I did get a couple other pairs of jeans, but I'm not gonna take these. I don't need these. So I'll just hang these back up. And then I actually did get these right here. These are kind of like slacks, if you will. These are by Mocha Studio, and they're like, I love these. They're like fitted at the waist but loose on your legs. So I'm definitely taking these, but I think I should also keep these hanging. I know you're probably thinking, man, you're taking a lot of pants. I know. It's just because I don't know. I know roughly what we're going to be doing, but I don't know like 100% what we're going to be doing. So I figure I just take a few things and then not need it, but then it would suck if I needed it and I didn't take it. So that's all for pants. Like that's, well, I have this set. I have this set from Zara. I'm not gonna take this. I'm not taking this. It's a really cool set. It's got like these pants and a matching top, and it looks really, really chic and nice, but it kind of looks like jammies. So I'm not gonna take this. I am, however, taking this. This is a blazer from Neiman Marcus. And I'm 100% taking her. I'm gonna button her up though, because she has to stay hanging. And then I have two simple shirts. It's like I've got this white button down and I've got this really beautiful blue button down. I think, I don't know, I think I might take the blue. The blue is so pretty, and like you never see this kind of blue. You see white button downs all the time, but I'd never see a blue button down. So maybe I'll take this one with me. And then I think that's it for, like, that's definitely it for pants. No more pants. Let me go find some tops that I can take. Okay, I've got some things. I'm 100% taking my Mocha Studio set right here. These are just mostly things to hang around the hotel room in, like really, really comfy stuff. I've got my Nirvana crew neck that I'm obsessed with, so this will 100% just be things to hang around the hotel with. I actually have a pair of pants that are coming in the mail today that I am going to wear on the plane, so because they are so comfy, so I'm very excited about that. I've got this black totem sweater. I'm not gonna carry very many sweaters to wear out because it is summertime, so I assume it's going to be hot, but I'm gonna carry just like one sweater. I still have the tag on this. I'm gonna carry one totem sweater with me. Well, technically two. I'm gonna carry two totem sweaters with me just so I have some options in case there's a day where it's kind of cool or a day that it rains or something. That, and then I've got this big totem sweater. It's the alpaca one. Very, very nice, very cozy, very soft. And then I've just got some shirts. So I've got a few tank tops. I got this little ruched ruffle tank top from Abercrombie. I've got just a couple of regular tank tops from like Free People. I've got this like coppered one, black one, and then my two tank tops from, again, Abercrombie. I love these. I've raved about these. They're so freaking cute. So I've got them in both white and black, and I'm going to take both of them. And then I've got my long sleeve turtleneck from Marine Sayre. She's definitely gonna go. Love this turtleneck. So, and she's very thin. She can just kind of sit on top. And then I've got all three of my colorways of the Fendi X Skims bodysuits. I am obsessed with these. They're like my favorite bodysuits on the planet. So definitely taking all three of these. Do I need all three of them? Probably not, but like, Lord, listen, I need to take all three of them. I've got that beautiful like orangey red. I've got the black, And of course I've got the caramel color. I think the caramel color and the red ones are my favorite. They're so beautiful. So there's that, and then of course I have my favorite cardigan. This is from ASOS. I got this like 2 years ago, but I really love this cardigan. And then I'll put my little sparkly top in here. And then I'll need to carry a few pairs of shoes. My Celine sneakers are the ones I'm gonna wear on the plane. I'm gonna carry my Steve Madden sandals. I am carrying my Tory Burch sneakers. I'm not gonna put these in the suitcase just yet because I do wear these nearly every time I go out, or like just to go to the store or something. So I'm gonna keep wearing these until Thursday, the night that we need to go. I've got these heels right here. If they're actually in my last video, my heel haul, I hauled those. And then I've got my Steve Madden heel sandals. These are just like the best. They're so comfortable. And then just like a little extra, I guess just in case, I've got these little sock boots. I love these. I don't think these are any kind of like brand. I think I got these from, did I get these from ASOS? I have no idea, but they're really, really cute and I like them a lot. So that's it for shoes. I got a couple pairs of socks here. That's pretty much it for right now. I think that's it. That's gonna go in this bag, into this suitcase. Everything else, like my toiletries and makeup and stuff like that, can go in my carry-on. Well, my bags that I'm gonna pack are gonna go in my carry-on, and then I have my big Chloe tote, which I can put like my makeup and stuff in. So we'll see. Okay, it's bag time, and I feel like that's why a lot of you are here. I am gonna take my little pull-in bag right here. Such a cutie, but she can just go inside of my tote bag, inside of my Chloe tote bag. Whenever that happens, I'm gonna take my Chanel, my black Chanel, and my green Chanel. So these are the only bags that I'm gonna take, and I'm also taking my mulberry bag that's over there. That's like my everyday bag. These are gonna be just the ones that I take when I wanna be a little more fancy, I guess. I could take my Lady Dior bag, but I don't know, it's a little too bulky to pack, I feel like. So this one can kind of go a little bit flatter, and this is the one that I was planning to take with me on that like fancy night out. So I'm gonna just put these in their dust bags. I've got my beautiful vintage Tiffany blue Chanel. And then I've got my carry-on right here. If you can, I think you barely saw that. And I'm gonna put these just kind of nicely sat in there. I don't have a dust bag. I don't have a dust bag for this one right here because when I got it from the Real, it didn't come with one. So I'm just gonna put it in another one of these. All right, those are good. And honestly, that's it for bags. That was very easy to pack. That was like surprisingly easy. I mean, what I guess I'll do is I'll just put the pull-in bag in one of these two and just kind of stick it right here. I mean, it'll fit no problem. I thought that it was gonna be bad. What I could do is I could just move my shoes, honestly. Oh, he got stuck in here.
Oh, poor little bee.
Oh. He got stuck in the bedroom. So honestly, I thought that, well, what do I do? Hold on, okay. Let me brainstorm a little bit because, you know what? I'm gonna put my Fendi bodysuits in here because I still have an entire compartment in the carry-on that is just not full at all. Like, it's just empty. So I'm gonna put the things that are like super duper valuable to me in the carry-on, even like the bodysuits. So I'm gonna put these in here. I don't think anyone is gonna mess with my other stuff that's in the hanging area. I don't think anyone's gonna care. The only other thing that I might put in, I'm gonna put my Marine Serre shirt in here. I think I might put my Totem sweater in here as well, just because the Totems are very expensive and I don't think anyone's gonna mess with it, but just in case, I would rather it be in my carry-on. So I've just got both Totem sweaters in my carry-on. And then that's actually really good because the big alpaca sweater can be like a cushion for my bags. I'll just leave it open like that. Okay, so now I have like a ton of extra room in my checked luggage. That's nice. What packing have you started to do?
Just the backpack.
He just left his backpack here.
Let's see.
That's all he's done. Okay, hi, I'm just checking back in. I know I'm sitting in the same spot, but it's been like hours. Have packed a few more things. Honestly, the only other things that I have packed at the moment are my makeup right here and some toiletries. I do need to not forget to put my glasses in here because I still need to pack like contacts and contact solution and stuff like that. My dog decided to start eating right as I was filming, so I apologize. So I do have some of that stuff already in here. I do just need to get a couple other things, but I can't actually pack them until Thursday because I use them every single day. Undies, socks, all that. Also, these pants I got in the mail today. These are the ones that I was talking to you about before. These are from Neiman Marcus and they're from Eileen Fisher, I believe. And they're just really comfy, cozy lounge pants. So I think I'm gonna wear these on the plane. Really nice. They're very comfortable. I wish they had pockets. I mean, these are originally $208. I got them on sale for like $120 or something, but still, something this expensive should have pockets. And it's just really frustrating that it doesn't, but they're very comfy. But let me tell you, Eileen Fisher sizing is insane. I had originally got these in a small, but then for some reason, Neiman Marcus website was saying that the small was back ordered. So I was like, oh my God, I can't do that. So then I checked on the website and they had an extra small come back in stock. So I canceled the small order and I ordered it again in an extra small, and I'm glad I did because the extra small is actually still pretty big. So I'm pretty sure they would have been falling off of me if I would have stuck with a small. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update right now. Honestly, I'm pretty much done. Oh no, I forgot like one of the most important things. I forgot my trench coat. Honestly though, do I need a trench coat? I can't imagine that it's going to be that cold. I mean, I don't know, New York is not hot. But then again, I don't think it's like really cold in the summertime either. I don't know. Should I take the trench coat? I don't know what to do. I feel like this is overkill. Like, I feel like I'm not gonna need a trench coat. I'm not gonna take the trench coat. I don't even know why I did that. So here is how we're looking right now. This is my big suitcase. We've got everything put in here. All of the hang stuff goes in there. And everything is looking really good. The carry-on is looking great. Again, I've got my bags in here. My totem sweater on top. Leggings, another totem sweater, and then my Fendi bodysuits. I think for right now though, that's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna take. I think the only other things that I'm going to take with me that I haven't already shown, the lighting was great, are going to be toothpaste, toothbrush, extra contacts, stuff like that, which I don't think anyone really cares about seeing that anyways. I am going to be taking a couple of fragrances that I do want to show you. I'm only going to take two, but these are both new to me. So I'm going to take this one right here. This is by Erin. It's Mediterranean Honeysuckle. This is my first Erin fragrance. It's so beautiful. Look at that bottle. I love that top. So I'm going to take this one, and it smells super, super good. Very summertime, so I'm very into that. And then I'm going to take this one right here. I got this in a travel size, and it is the Eilish by Billie Eilish. Do you see that? This one I saw at Ulta. I was gonna say the website, but no, I saw it just inside Ulta. And I smelled it, and it smelled really, really good. I don't really have the best sense of smell. Like, I can't smell things that great. And I got the travel size because I don't like the bottle of the regular one. So those are the two that I'm gonna take with me this time. But yeah, you guys, pretty much when you watch this, I'll probably already be in New York. So hi from New York. I'll definitely do like vlogs and stuff while I'm there. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And let me know in the comments if you're excited for New York, like if you're excited to see the vlogs. Let me know if you've been to New York. Let me know like some good places to go eat. Oh my god, please tell me in the comments if you live here or if you've been here. Tell me some good places to go eat. We definitely want to eat everything while we're there. So yes, but I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!